Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that could seriously boost the performance of your MSI Stealth 16 studio gaming laptop. We're looking at the ATEC 64GB DDR5 RAM kit, specifically designed for the A13V, A13VE, A13VF, and A13VG models. If you're finding your Stealth 16 Studio is starting to struggle with demanding games or heavy multitasking, more RAM is often the answer. This kit provides a substantial upgrade, taking you to a whopping 64 gigabytes of DDR5 memory. It comes as two 32 gigabytes modules, which is ideal for utilizing the dual-channel architecture of your laptop for optimal performance. The ATEC kit boasts speeds of up to 5,600 MHz, technically PC 5-44800. Now, it's important to note that some Stealth 16 Studio models might run this memory at slightly lower speeds, like 5,200 MHz or even 4,800 MHz. This isn't a fault of the RAM itself, but rather a limitation of the CPU in certain configurations. Always check your laptop specifications to see what speeds your processor supports. This is NONECC unbuffered memory, which is standard for laptops, and it operates at the JEDEC standard 1.1V. This ensures compatibility and efficient power consumption. The kit is also a 2RX8 configuration, meaning it's dual-ranked with 8 chips per rank, which can offer improved performance compared to single-rank modules. The real benefit here is the increased memory capacity. With 64 gigabytes, you'll experience smoother gameplay, faster loading times, and the ability to run multiple applications simultaneously without bogging down your system. It's a noticeable improvement, especially if you're coming from 16 gigabytes or even 32 gigabytes. Installation is designed to be straightforward. ATEC emphasizes that it's a quick and easy process you can do at home. Of course, always refer to your MSI Stealth 16 Studios manual for specific instructions on how to access and install the RAM modules. Make sure you follow the correct seating and channel guidelines to ensure proper operation. ATEC backs this memory kit with a limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind. They also have a tech support team available to assist with any questions or issues you might encounter, both before and after your purchase. This level of support is always a plus when dealing with computer hardware. In conclusion, the ATEC 64GB DDR5 RAM kit is a solid upgrade option for your MSI Stealth 16 Studio. It offers a significant boost in memory capacity, potentially improving performance in games and demanding applications. The easy installation and ATEC's warranty and support make it a worthwhile consideration if you're looking to breathe new life into your gaming laptop. Just be sure to check your CPU's supported memory speeds to get the most out of this upgrade.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.